Ready to unlock the full potential of Pixelverse by connecting your Bybit wallet? First, navigate to the Pixelverse platform using your web browser. Look for the prominent Connect Wallet button, usually located on the home page or within your profile settings. Go ahead and click that now. A list of wallet options will appear. Find and select Bybit Wallet from the available choices. This will initiate the connection process specifically for Bybit users. Your Bybit app will automatically launch on your mobile device, presenting a connection request from Pixelverse. Carefully review the details of this request, paying close attention to the permissions being requested by Pixelverse. If you're comfortable with the permissions, tap the Approve button within your Bybit app to authorize the connection. This grants Pixelverse the necessary access to interact with your Bybit wallet. Once approved, return to the Pixelverse platform in your web browser. You should now see your Bybit wallet address displayed, along with your available asset balances. This confirms that your Bybit wallet is successfully connected. Now you can easily transfer assets or interact with the Pixelverse.